Well, got this little guy. I think this should be like a December update. What is this? It's a 14 horsepower SPL Evinrude 14. Top of this is all messed up. So I pulled this off. I re-greased it. Discovered that we have a part that was missing that holds the shifter. It's a little plastic piece which came apart on me. It's in a whole bunch of these little pieces. So I found another old used part because they don't make it anymore. It's got a it's like power for your power pack, and then it's got a trigger coil, charge coil. They call it charge coil, and then Anyway, I got that, dude, and then got a Yamaha over here that I got to do a water pump on. That's the I don't remember what horsepower it is. It's over here. Daihatsu, somebody's supposed to pick up. Still got to break down the 950. Got the tracker Evinrude. I just got to go get a battery for it. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and do that now. Hey, share this video. Go ahead and hit that like button. It's windier than Wendy Williams. It's so windy the birds are walking. And we got the pontoon boat out here. And fixed his radio on that. He has an intermittent antenna wire, so we may have to get a new radio for that guy. And then I got this little Johnson 70 horsepower, and what's going on there is so it runs really good. It's a little 4-stroke. The problem is in the remote. So in this remote, you see I got it apart. Probably. Anyway, I've got the handle off of it, and I've got the tilt trim. So I won't say it is, but they put just a tilt trim switch, interrupt switch here, like a little toggle switch, like you can buy. The problem is in these, I believe, they have some diodes, and it's like a resistor, right? It's probably diodes at least, because it's in a little sealed pack. This one is done. I gotta get the battery out of here. So it's unfortunate. I mean, it's a good motor, but there's this one too that I found out it's got water in the number 2. It's getting just a mist of water, I guess. It's showing up on the spark plug, which means it's going to need a new head gasket. I don't know. I told them to sell it because it's kind of gets to the point of like diminishing return. I mean, they're going to be, you got some money tied up in it. It really needs new carpet seats, a trolley motor. I mean, you got several $1,000s. So maybe they'll give it to somebody or sell it to somebody that will fix it up. I mean, if they got the money to fix it up, I'll fix it up, but we'll take it to the 9s. I don't even know what that means, but oh yeah. So this switch, this Johnson Evinrude tilt trim switch, which I got the old one in here somewhere. Trying some lights. It's another thing. Got to get some more lights. This is what it looks like. So that guy, when I put it on my meter, it's not showing anything. And they wired in another switch. If you get this apart, like see if I get this, I don't know, maybe I got this. Oh yeah, that's right. I got it kind of If you look at the backside, it's sealed. Trust me. And so anyway, I think that it's got some diodes in it. The diodes will just prevent the current from flowing back the other direction. And I think that's what's happening. It's sending the information back to the motor. And the motor thinks something weird is going on with the sensors. So then you have sensors that are going off as alarms. And I want to get that fixed first because you're going down the lake and they'll go off on you. But it's not overheating. It doesn't have oil. It's got oil. So it's got oil. All that is fine. It's just sending the wrong information. But I think it's because, it's pulling that voltage down. Maybe it's pulling the voltage down on the computer, or I'm not sure. It's a guessing game. So what else do we got going on? So I got the water pump is almost here. That's another story. I ordered a water pump, but I wasn't paying attention. And what I discovered was that the one I ordered, they wasn't in stock, so they had to get it from the manufacturer. With the holiday, it caused like a 2-week delay. And finally I canceled it, and I bought another water pump, which is like 4 or 5 day delivery. So if I would have just been paying attention, slowed down, I would have discovered, I get this water pump, and then I could have sent him on his way. But he's just going to put it in a slip out of the water, so he's not going to do anything with it anyway. But I want to get it done, so. Okay, I'm attempting to try to figure out if I got spark on this little guy. To make it easier, I could take that top plug out. Alright, you guys, we're looking for this one here and this one here. See if we got spark. Alright, I'm going to try this again. I don't know if this is going to work or not, but